When Futuring Robot introduces the F2, it does not feel like just another flashy lab prototype trying to impress people. Instead, it is presented as a true home service robot built for the real rhythm of daily life. The company says this new generation robot is the result of 3 years of development, and that it is meant to act more like a family life partner than a simple machine on wheels. The first thing that stands out is how deliberately human the F2 is trying to feel. It uses a rounded, edge-free body made from ABS and silicone, which gives it a softer, home-friendly look instead of an industrial one. One of the F2's most distinctive features is the interactive screen on its chest that reflects its mood and even its current task, making it feel like a true member of the family. With its personalization capabilities, the robot can adapt its interaction styles based on household member behavior.
时间到啦，注意坐姿。
It also incorporates proprietary multimodal perception technology and a 360-degree omnidirectional sensing system, enabling millisecond-level responses for environmental modeling and intelligent path planning. In one touching scene, the robot receives a call from a family member who is worried they have locked the cat in a bedroom. The F2 immediately goes to investigate using its integrated communication system, even taking a moment to engage in some gentle playtime. With a starting price of approximately $36,000, the F2 is not just a robot. It is a glimpse into a future where technology and humanity live in perfect harmony.